let's consider this problem. In this problem, we have to find the role of molecular interaction plays in solution of alcohol and H2O. So first we consider the properties of alcohol and H2O. Here I have already drawn two molecules of H2O. This is first molecules and this is second molecules. You can see hydrogen of first molecules has a partial positive charge and oxygen of second molecules has a partial negative charge. And whenever there is positive and negative charge, there will always a force of attraction. This force of attraction is called hydrogen bonding. So we can say molecules of H2 has hydrogen bonding. Whenever a liquid has hydrogen bonding, it is a strong intermolecular force. Now consider C2H5OH. In C2H5OH, I have also drawn their structure. You can see there is a dotted line and this dotted line is representing hydrogen bonding. So we can say that the molecules of C2H5OH also has hydrogen bonding. So there will be a strong intermolecular force in between the molecules of C2H5OH and C2H5OH. So both bond will strong. Now we are mixing both the liquid. When we mix both the liquid, now we consider intermolecular force between the molecules of first liquid and second liquid. So this is molecules of first liquid and this is the molecules of second liquid, and there is a weak force of attraction between these molecules as compared to H2H2O or C2H5OH, C2H5OH. Whenever there is a weaker force between the molecules of liquids in a solution, it always shows a positive deviation from the ideal behavior. So we can say the solution of alcohol and H2O will show positive deviation from the ideal behavior. When two liquids shows positive deviation in solution, that means their vapor pressure will goes up. That means the vapor pressure of this solution will more than that of vapor pressure of molecules of H2H2O and vapor pressure of molecules of C2H5OH, C2H5OH. So when vapor pressure goes up, then their boiling point will goes down. So we can say this solution, resulting solution, will have less boiling point as compared to boiling point of pure H2O or boiling point of pure